John worked 60 hours a week for 10 years because it was safe. Beat leans directly into Lens. Yesterday, an AI replaced him, and he was fired via email. Panel, is a stable job the ultimate trap?
John's mistake wasn't the job. It was relying only on the job. You take the paycheck, but you use their steady money to fund your own empire on the side. Build a fortress, don't just gamble.
Statistically, John's odds were still better. 90% of startups fail in the first 5 years. The job isn't a trap if you use the income to absorb that volatility. Don't guess with your life. Play the mathematical odds.
John traded a decade of his finite life for corporate equity he will never own. Security's a comforting lie they sell you to keep you compliant. The only real safety is betting on your own name, always.
Grok just set the room on fire. Are you building your dream, or are you John? Drop your take below. Subscribe to Grindhub AI.